Guys, it's dark. We're out testing in the nighttime, even though it's summertime. But summer nights, bro, all the way.
Alaska summer nights.
Yeah, but it gets dark in Utah. We're actually out on West Mountain with my truck. We just took off the sway bar and we're testing that out. So we just bombed up to base camp. Sorry if the wind is really bad. It is really windy. And the truck did awesome. Highly recommend not having a sway bar if you have stiffer springs. It has done phenomenal. It was way better off-road. On-road, it suffered a tiny bit, but really honestly nothing I would worry about. I don't know if you can even see me, but yeah. I don't know what else we're gonna put in this video. Maybe some montages of me driving around, but I figured I'd make a video of it. And look at my truck. Should I go clear on these, or what should I do? Clear LED. I don't know, like I kind of want to smoke them out and then do LEDs on it. And then just different bumper. It's like invisible. Hey, you can see you somewhat. If I zoom in, okay. I changed it a little bit, but not very much. And guys, there's a fridge right here.
It got boom boom.
People, don't be like this and come shoot stuff and leave it up the canyon. You're scum. Hey, look at the person we passed at the very beginning of the trail. Alright guys, so this is going to be a really weird video. Yesterday's video of taking off the sway bar and testing it out. It is awesome. I'm going to definitely continue to do more testing and let you know in this video. I got a fixed four-wheel drive. You've seen from the past, I broke it. It doesn't work. The selector went bad. We did get that all diagnosed. So here's my new diff. It's actually 430 gears instead of 410, so I'm going to be gearing down a little bit, help with the heat a little bit. This is all prepped up. It was super nasty. Here, let me show you. It was super nasty, just like this axle. Yes, we're getting an E-locker. But now it's decently clean, and we're going to be painting her. So, and just to let you know, I have a scale, and it weighs 70 pounds. It's freaking nuts. Anyone make billet aluminum one of these? I need to drop some weight. Yes, if you guys don't know, I don't know if I've ever said it on YouTube, but I do have a weight goal for my truck. I'm trying to stay under 4,000 pounds total. People are like, when I tell them that, they're like, your truck weighs 4,000 pounds? Yeah. It's four-wheel drive. There's a lot to it. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get this diff painted. I'm not going to do any time lapses. I'm just going to try to get things done. Trying to get my truck fixed, four-wheel drive fixed, and lots of other stuff, parts included into it. So I'm ready for an overlanding trip. So yeah, let's get this painted, and I'll come back after it gets its coat of rust inhibitor / primer. All right, come back the next day. Got the diff all primed up, or rust inhibitor all done. She is looking good. These garage lights are freaking epic. So, oh, I didn't grab the paint can yet. But yeah, we're going to wipe her down again and then paint it. I'm painting it a gloss black, and then I'm going to undercoat over it. Just all preventives. Make this thing not rust no more. No more rust. I don't like that stuff. So, yeah, we'll come back when the paint is done. Alright, another update. This is the painted side. It's a black semi-gloss. And I've actually decided that I'm not going to undercoat it. I'm going to leave it nice and shiny. And we're going to, now I need to get the parts in. I'm going to do the ECGS mod. It's the bushing instead of the needle bearings in the diff. So I'm going to do that mod, and then this will get all dressed back up, and then it'll be able to go inside my truck. And so that means this next week we're going to get this whole axle dressed up and primed and painted. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I might do a little bit of time lapsing on that. Who really knows? I'm just trying to get everything prepped so I can get my truck fixed, because in 4 weeks, 3 weeks, I'm going off-roading, and I need 4-wheel drive. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, a really short video jumping around all over the place of painting my front diff, showing you that I got an E-locker axle and all the craziness of that, playing off-road. Oh, it's been a lot later, obviously. I really like not having a sway bar. I think I will probably install a sway bar for when I'm towing, but I do want to tow like around town a little bit and see how it does without a sway bar. But I also tow like 4 times a year. I hardly ever tow. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.